need to talk about when it comes to improving your health and wellness, improving your fitness in 2023 is social media. And unfortunately, social media leads to one huge bad thing being comparison. So if I asked you right now, who uses social media? Do you use social media? Do you even read the news? Any type of social media outlet has a lot of different sources of input. So there's people posting pictures of themselves. There's people posting videos of what they're doing. They may be posting stuff about what their friends are doing. So this seems kind of trivial at face value, but over time, you realize that a lot of these things that people are posting leads to comparison. And this is no different in regards to trying to be the healthiest and the fittest we can be in our daily lives. So you might see somebody who is able to run a 5K, no problem. You might be able to see somebody who can move upstairs easier than you, no problem. And this starts to weigh on you over time. This starts to make you think that maybe you're less of a person. It kind of comes more towards your emotional capacity, other than the fact that it's just simple. It is what it is. That person's a little bit more fitter than you. Okay, so what can you do about it? So this is kind of the one of the big things that I recommend for people to do is just to either delete social media entirely or to actually just decrease their social media use. I have basically gone on a almost complete social media purge over the last few years, and it's helped greatly in my mental health capacity. I didn't do it specifically to help the comparison of health and fitness, but I did do it because there was just a lot of negativity and kind of garbage that I didn't want in my life. So some better things that you can do instead of social media. Obviously, we can limit use, and you can kind of uh, maybe potentially even make a separate account or a separate entity that you can use for specific reasons, as in checking on your family, checking on our friends, but following all those news pages of these people doing really crazy things with their fitness and health, those aren't really going to make you feel good. If you're using it to keep in touch with your friends and family, that's great. But if it's anything more than that, it can really, really lead to some negative consequences long term, mainly off your self esteem. One of the other things that I do, try to do as much in my life as possible, is to follow positivity. And basically, what this means is that there are a lot of negative sources of social media. So, a negative source of social media when it comes to fitness and health might be somebody just posting pictures of their abs or posting pictures of them losing a bunch of weight and them making it look so easy and they have a perfect body. And that seems good. Maybe it'll motivate you a little bit, but a lot of people think they need to look like that today, not realizing that these people have been doing it for years. They're genetically gifted, and honestly, they might be lying. They might have used some steroids. They might have used some Photoshop, all these different things that go on social media. People lie a lot. So instead of that, one of the things that I do is try to follow positivity. So it would be like following people who are uplifting about your personal life and your health and fitness. So somebody who posts fitness motivation, as in like, you can do this today, or you messed up on the gym routine, you can get back up and keep trying. Um, I listen to a lot of people who try to talk about behavior change and just doing what you can, focusing on what's in your control to do it. So social media kind of can cause some friction. Highly recommend to either delete or limit your social media use.